Okay, we finished our head completely. Got the head is all done. Got our wig on. Mouth works good. So what we want to do now is we're going to get this body done. And we have our hands here. We took our hooks out. We don't need those anymore because I always hang it to dry. So we're going to get the hands mounted where they go. Make sure you get your left and your right hand correct. I've made that mistake before. There's one. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments or any suggestions, please put it in my comment section. And I enjoy hearing from you. So we got our hands on. Hands are all set. Last thing we want to do is we're going to take a little bit of this Johnson's paste wax. And I always put paste wax in here. This just helps the head to slide better when the neck is in here. So periodically you just want to re-wax this. Just as normal maintenance. You can also put some around, down around on the bottom there if you want. So this one is all done. All we have to do is get him dressed, get him some shoes on him, and he's ready to go. Thanks for watching.